In this Learning Byte for Windows Small Business Server 2011 Standard, we'll take a look at using the Remote Web Access website. Let's go ahead and get started by logging in as Roland Winkler. Because Roland is an administrator, he has access to a couple of features that standard users don't see, and I'll point those out as we go through the demo. Here on the home page, we can see that there are a number of features that users can access for virtually anywhere, anytime over the public internet. One of the first things that's available to them is the ability to change their password remotely. This can be very convenient for users who do a lot of work from remote locations. Of course, we can check our email using Outlook web app. In addition to being able to read and create new email messages, you also have access to your calendar, contacts, tasks, and public folders. Outlook web app provides an experience for interacting with your email that's very similar to using Outlook on a client PC. Next, let's take a look at the internal website, Company Web. Here we can see the SharePoint site that's created when SBS is installed, and users have the ability to interact with this site in the same way as if they were in the office. You have all the collaboration tools and functionality available in exactly the same way. It's also very easy to access shared folders in the SBS environment. Here we can see a view that's very similar to using Windows Explorer on a client PC. We can expand the folder tree and work with documents, which we can upload and download, making it very convenient to work with the company's documents whether you're at home, at a client site, or on the road. Let's go back to the home page. There are also several customizable links that are available to users and administrators. In the Organization Links area, we can see a number of links to resources that are available to standard users. There's also an Administration Links section, which only shows up for administration users. Finally, the Remote Web Access portal lets you connect to PCs in the SBS environment. Administrators can connect directly to the SBS server itself. This is extremely helpful for Microsoft partners who are connecting remotely to assist with maintenance and management of the SBS server. Administrators can also connect to other computers in the environment, and standard users, as a general rule, would be able to connect to only their PC, but you can extend that to other PCs in the environment. One thing to note is that you're only able to connect to Windows client PCs that support remote desktop connections, so that would exclude any of the home versions. Let's go ahead and connect to Jeff's PC. At this point, we need to log into that local desktop. Once we're logged in, we can go ahead and use this PC as if we were sitting right in front of it from virtually anywhere over the public internet. There are no additional licensing requirements for this. It's simply a part of the SBS value proposition. So that's a quick look at using remote web access in an SBS 2011 standard environment. Thank you for watching this Learning Byte, and I hope to see you for future Learning Byte videos.